In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Synology Drive Client on your computer. So this process works for both Macs and Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to achieve this, you need to go ahead and just search for Synology, and this will take you to Synology official website. Go ahead and click on it. So for you to be able to connect your Synology NAS, you need to have this Drive Client. So on this official website, go ahead and scroll down and you'll see we have an option for downloads. If you click on this, here you can now go ahead and select the product that you wish. Alternatively, another shortcut method to get there is just to search for Synology Drive Client like this. And if you click on enter, you'll be taken to the download center on the official Synology website, where if I click, I'll be taken to the same download page here. Here, go ahead and select the product type. For my case, I want for NAS. So I'll choose NAS and then select your Synology product. So I'll go ahead. And for this, I'll wish to install for DS220 Plus. I'll choose this. And now here we have the download file. I'll go ahead and click on download. And this will download the file straight to my computer here. Once done, I'll go ahead and open the folder containing the file. So I'll go ahead and double click on it to install it. So that's how you can install Synology Drive Client on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.